globally, which group broke up that shocked you? I mean, the dissolvement of groups in the world. We have how do you call Westlives, the P Squares, a lot of them. Which of them was so shocking to you? Like, yo, how this group fee broke like that?
I mean,
Or Wuttah?
no. So media, like, be, I live my life in such a way. Say I have no expectations
Yeah.
from anybody. So nothing will take me by surprise. What I say, and but but if I'm being very tactical and I said clearly based on certain factors, I would say P Square, because every other group that I know were just friends that came together. What I say, or people that were put together by maybe a label or something. But
Yeah.
these two people are literally from without a choice from one stomach.
Yeah.
So what I say,
Yeah.
and if they couldn't work it out, that should tell you, say it doesn't matter. Yeah, yeah, the other day it's just a walk in the park. So what I say,
Yeah, I
because
get you.
I mean, who would think? Because when said twins, there, Charlie, eh, you know, said dope nation, or yes, you almost that would be that would be
Shocking.
crazy. Like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Top of my head, not even the Jackson Fives or Destiny Child, because those
Yeah.
ones they were just friends.
Me
Even the
too.
Jackson Fives,
Yeah.
they were siblings.
Yeah.
I'm not surprised. Destiny's Child, or they were friends. It's not so surprising. But twins, so as I said,
I
I
see.
know, I know now it's shocking to me. It
I
must have
see.
been really tough why
I see.
it couldn't work. And I see their rants on social media, and I go and I watch and I listen. You can't even take
Hey.
sides. Like you go and
Efiem
you
podi.
just
That one you go like
ha
Efiem podi. Efiem podi.
ha yeah. Also,
Hey.
and I say yeah, 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 yeah. I grow be cry.
Cry.